He just yelled at me. Okay, what is going on, everybody, and welcome to Frankfurt, Germany. I told you guys in my last video that I had a couple trips planned, and this is stop number 1, Frankfurt, Germany. Can't tell you guys the next one, but we're gonna go out, take some photos, do a little POV. Hope you guys are excited. I know I am. Let's get going. Coming up on our first stop, this castle right here. I guess it was built in the 15th century or something like that. Let's see what we can come up with. Get this reflection of this puddle right here. Just a warm-up shot, just a warm-up shot. I don't know what kind of car this is, but check this thing out. Look at that. That's insane. Hopefully you guys can see that. Pretty cool. All right, I gotta get a picture of this space age looking bike thing. Whoa. Still just warming up, just warming up. All right, came across this flower shop. You might have to take some photos. Thank you. Smells so good right here. We're at the touristy area. I'm gonna try to get reflection photos of these buildings. That's pretty cool. I like that with the guy walking. Not bad, not bad. You can see just how cool this is. Like, I've never seen anything like it. So I can't read German, I'm not sure what this is, but I'm gonna use it to reflect off this right here. Off the... Oh, that looks sick. Okay, so right behind these buildings, or not behind, but if you turn around, you have these buildings. I'm gonna try to use one of these squares with the water on it for a reflection shot again. That looks really cool. Pretty cool. Super nice area. Right behind those buildings, or right in front of those buildings, if you will. Turn around, get this alleyway right here. Looks like a really cool Gothic church or some kind of steeple. And I'm gonna use this nice wet ground to get this photo. All right, kind of a straight on shot, which is not normal for me, but I figure with these colors, I can't pass it up. Let's do one more. Bam. It's a good shot. Cool place. All right, before I leave this area, I wanted to get something of this statue, but it's kind of blending in with everything in the background. Let's see, just do a real wide shot. Maybe that'll work. Oh, yeah. Wish the fountain was on. Let's try to hide the fountain a little bit. Whoop. Thumbnail. All right, I think we're done with the touristy stuff. Let's head back into the business area. There's a bunch of bakeries and shops and stuff like that we can get some cool shots with. So let's head back into the business district. Just stumbled across this amazing Lamborghini. Got to get some shots of this. Let's get some detailed shots of the emblem. So later on this evening, this is gonna be a cool shot. Do a long exposure. Try to get this bicyclist coming in right now. This would be a cool shot. Do a long exposure with the water fountain, and hopefully there'll be some lights on it. We're gonna come back and see maybe tomorrow morning, maybe this evening. Sunsets for another 2 hours. So we got a long time. All right, so hopefully you guys can hear this with the fountain, but I think I got a cool composition here, finally. Try to get a picture of this dude walking. I haven't had very many good compositions, so the final one's pretty awesome. All right, we are back, people. It is dark. I got a little nap in, so not so jet lagged anymore. Sorry if I was a little down and out earlier, but here we are. It's dark. We're in Frankfurt. Got full batteries on all the cameras. Let's go. Let's get one in here at the Apple store. Hopefully I have somebody walk by with a little action shot. This is gonna be a sick shot if I can get it. Oh, that's sick. A couple of guys with their umbrellas. I like it. Let's do a wide shot. And just what I was afraid of, the fountain is turned off and the lights on the building are not on. But we got some cool photos that are definitely able to be had, so we're not gonna stop now. All right, so I got their subway system right here. Try to get the U for their subway station. Bam, looks good. What's crazy to me is that people don't like going out in this kind of weather where it's raining, that real miserable drizzling rain. But at the same time, photographers love this type of stuff. You get all the reflections, the lights, everything. I mean, you can't beat it. All right, I love the colors of this place. Let's see if I can get some reflections. Oh, that looks dope. And bicycles. Some dudes walking in. Okay, so I got that blue building, got some fog kind of at the top up there, and I got the Louis Vuitton store, and I got some people walking, and I got a reflection right here. I think it's gonna be a dope photo. One with the little bokeh, one focusing on the reflection, and let's do one everything sharp. That's cool. So I'm really loving the red lights of this place. Let's see. Let's see what we can get. This guy's yelling something. Back at that red bar place. Hopefully I can get something out of this one. I've been sitting at this alleyway for a while trying to get the shot, and this lady's about to walk up and hook me up. So I've been wanting to get the shot for a while, and I was waiting for this time with the castle and all the lights in the rain. Hopefully this is coming out. Try to get something down by the ground. Little reflection shot. Alright folks, it's raining way too much for me tonight. I'm gonna get up early and hopefully come out here in the morning. We'll see what happens. But please leave a like, subscribe, do all the cool things, and I hope I'll see you guys in the morning.